Hello, it's Nicko with Food Cravings, and today we're making grilled cheese. Cooked bread and cheese is an ancient food according to food historians, and it was popular across the world in many cultures as it is today. Evidence indicates that in the US, the modern version of the grilled cheese sandwich originated in the 1920s when inexpensive sliced bread and American cheese became readily available. The sandwich, however, was invented by John Montagu, the Earl of Sandwich, a British statesman and notorious profligate and gambler, who is said to be the inventor of this type of food so that he would not have to leave his gaming table to take supper. I'd hate to have seen him betting on thoroughbreds. Now let's get started, shall we? Here I went with a blend of grated Gruyere and cheddar cheese, but you can use any kind of cheese you like. There are a few techniques to this which I'll talk more about on the blog post. Next, we'll want to soften some butter, which I already did the night before. Then take 2 slices of our favorite bread and butter both sides. Then place the butter side down on a hot pan. Next, we'll top generously with our cheese mixture before closing the sandwich by placing the other slice of bread on top, and finally covering with the lid for a few moments before opening it again to flip the sandwich. Here's a pro tip: heat control is very important during this phase, so I suggest turning your heat down to medium-low so that it doesn't burn. And here you can see we've achieved that golden crispy crust. Next, it was time to give this a slice, so I cut on diagonal. Then I plated it up, 2 halves on top of each other to give it some height, as you can see here. And it was at this point that I noticed some of the cheese was already oozing out before going in for a taste. The nutty combination of Gruyere and the subtle sharpness from the cheddar cheeses, along with the rich buttery flavor of the toasted bread, made for a taste experience beyond epic proportions. So now that you've learned how to make a grilled cheese sandwich properly without burning it, you can dazzle your family, friends, and children with this irresistible treat that surely everyone will enjoy. And the best part is, you can also add an unlimited number of different flavor combinations to suit every palate. I mean, if you think about it, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, put your own spin on things. I hope you've enjoyed my recipe for grilled cheese sandwich. For more recipes and info, along with ingredient amounts, please visit www.chefnicko.blogspot.com, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your friends. Bon appetit, enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video recipe.